To create a simple unit collate in TiaraCAD, opt for the view, opt for the gem shape, the gem size as per your gem chart, and then play with the settings. Now if I were to opt for, let's say, a marquee, by default you will get the V prongs. If I opt for heart, these are the defaults that we have set. However, if you want to make changes, you are always free to make. For example, I'm going to remove the default V, increase it to 3, or change it to princess where I want 4 diagonal set, or I may want specifically V prongs. So you can opt for them as well, or it could be regular rounds. If I opt for the regular round, specify the number of prongs you need, the size that you may need. So for example, for a bigger stone, I may want a 1.2 size, or maybe 1 should be good. I can also opt for only 2 prongs. I can opt for the diamond groove. This is going to ensure that even the prongs have a grooving out here. We can opt for gallery. You can play with the spacing associated with it. As far as the collet is concerned, the thickness of the collet, the metal height, the ratio of taper, the distance from the wall. For example, if I do not want this distance, I can reduce it to 0, and so on. On baking, you'll be able to get 6 regular poly surfaces representing all the 4 prongs and the collet and the gallery. Also, let me just redo this. If I wanted a seed difference, I can opt for seed difference, and you will see that it will give a correct seed to your gem as well.